When you hear this sound effect, pause the video and complete the task yourself. The following video is a culmination of work by a multitude of SLLEA students and employees acting as talent, camera operation, sound, and more.
Tablet.
How to clean your kitchen.
Hey Susan, I've got to clean the kitchen. Where do I start?
First you must choose, young one, the red spoon or the blue spoon.
What?
Maybe start with a tutorial.
Hi, Steve. It is I, Steve, and I'm gonna show me how to clean a kitchen. It's so easy.
You could teach myself how to do it.
The first step is to clear items off the counter. Now that the counters are clear, get out your cleaning rag and disinfectant spray. We're about to clean it up around here. Spray the entire surface, not just the parts you like. The whole thing! Take your rag and wipe the counters off from one corner to the other. Don't forget to check that step off. Whoa! Those are some spiffy clean counters. It looks so clean you could eat off of it. Now you've got to clear off the dining room table. Like earlier, individually pick up each item you took off the counters and put them back in their appropriate place. Next, you should wipe down the dining room table with a rag. After you hit that thing with 3 or 4 sprays from an all-purpose cleaner. Go corner to corner, just like you did with the counters. And don't forget to wipe down or wash the placemats, or your roommate might ask you to clean them anyway. Best to avoid awkward conversation starters, like how'd that stain get there, and where'd the cat go, or put down the axe. Place items back in the appropriate spot on the table. Okay, so those cabinet and drawer handles? Yeah, they get touched every day by a bunch of different people. So they've gotta be clean. That's sticky. Why is that sticky? Because apparently our roommate doesn't know how to keep his hands clean. Just give your rag another few spritzes of cleaner. And give each handle a good wipe. And make sure you don't leave a bunch of gunk left on them. Next, you have to clean the microwave. If gunk is built up,
You can place a mug of water in the microwave for 1 minute.
Be sure to use a hot pad when removing, as the mug may be hot.
it will moisten the gunk, so it's easier to wipe away. It's time to clean the dishes. Now, unlike me, I know how to clean dishes. Get yourself a good sponge, get it nice and soapy, and get to scrubbing everything off the dishes you're washing. You have to scrub the whole dish, then just rinse it off. Put it on a drying rack, set it on a towel to dry, or just dry it then and there. But all the dishes have to be put away before you can check off this step. Next, the sink itself has to be clean. Instead of using the soapy sponge I used for the dishes, I'm going to use a fresh rag and some more all-purpose cleaner. You're going to want to wipe down the soap dispenser before moving it to the side, so you can get the rest of the sink. Now that you've cleaned the sink and simultaneously proven to your mom that she taught you how to clean well, you should wash any dish drying rack you might have. Next is the stove. Not every stovetop has grills and burner covers,
But ours does, because we have gas.
wash the grills and covers and let them dry. Spray the stovetop with cleaner. Uh-oh! There's too much of the aforementioned gunk built up. So we'll let that sit for 3 minutes.
Hey, Steve, and Steve, it's me, Steve, from 3 Minutes in the Future. I need to clean off the stove from one corner to the other, and the burners. Done!
Don't forget to wash the rags and sponges, the same implements you once used to clean the kitchen.
I can do that. Then I'll just sweep, mop, and take a selfie of myself's hard work.